Would that be so awesome?
Then there's 2 mummies and 2 Spider-Man.
That's so cool.
Because Eli is a mummy and Ruby is a mummy and Ethan is Spider-Man and I'm Spider-Man.
That's good. Here, I'm going to show you. Let me show you.
Look.
So
do you want to be Spider-Man?
Ethan's gonna be
So there's your
Spider-Man.
eye.
You want to do that?
Good job. Good job. And now we'll do a little bit. Let's do top Spider-Man.
That's a good idea.
Top Spider-Man is fun.
You don't want to do Spider-Man?
You're gonna not do Spider-Man right now?
You want a
Are you
tattoo?
gonna do tattoo?
Oh, I know. Do you want to? You do want Spider-Man? So if we do Spider-Man, we gotta paint on your face.
We won't. Let's not peek into that. Not peek into that. You're gonna be my very favorite one. You're the best, Tom. You're the best. Here comes a little red. Spider-Man has to have a little red.
Oh, you're being good, Weedy.
Good boy. You're gonna be good. Yeah, I'll be Spider-Man.
You're gonna be Spider-Man.
Are you doing what your big brother did?
Sort of.
Yeah.
Amended, a 2-year-old version.
Okay.
Yep.
We used to call this car ride Spider-Man.
Car ride Spider-Man.
Awesome.
How was the second birthday party?
It was good. Yeah, it was right. Like they're our back neighbors. So
Oh, okay.
We just drove straight there. And
Is it
hung out for like an hour.
Is there some overlap on the guest list for this one, or?
For this one too?
Yeah.
No,
Because
no.
that was a Forest preschool one.
No, that was just a neighbor one. And Ronan's birthday is he goes to Cole's house and
Right.
Eli goes to Cole's house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got
So he does two days at daycare and 2 days at Forest.
Did you do it?
it. Oh, that looks good.
Love
Want
it.
to see?
You did it, Spider-Man.
You did it. Good job. Here, let's get a
Alright.
picture of you with your
Stick together.
brother. Hey guys, here, let me get a picture of you two together.
Ready?
Aww.
Say cheese, Weedy.
On your brother, as long as it says record, it'll be recording him. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's see. Let's see you get Spider-Man arms. Are you filming him getting his arms? You might have to step back a little. Are you showing his arms? Brother's getting Spider-Man arms. These are gonna stay on in the tubby. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
I might need Spider-Man
You might
on.
like those too. You like your mouth?
I bet you know.
Is that the red? Okay, good. And then,
You like panda bears too? Well, you'll have to go over to our house and see our big panda bear and tell them.
okay, now we're gonna make him look like Spider-Man. Now these Spider-Man arms are gonna stay on in the tubby.
Wow.
What do you think of that? But when you get tired of them and you don't want them anymore, you will just take some shampoo or some dish soap or some hand soap and you'll rub it on here and it'll make it come off, because this is swim paint. So it doesn't come off with water. You have to rub liquid soap on it, okay? How's our movie doing? Are we getting a movie for Bro to see?
Oh, yeah.
Oh boy, you are totally Spider-Man. And your arms are gonna stay Spider-Man overnight. How's that? So when you look at your arms in the morning, you'll be like, I am Spider-Man. I am still Spider-Man.
I remember my first
Pretty cool, Spider-Man.
Hey Ryan, did you want to do squiggles in this?
No. Very cool.